Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am here with a TEMU haul. I got some new things from TEMU. Nothing too crazy. I didn't do anything too crazy, so without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So first up on my list, I got the 100-piece quick acting nail polish remover sticks. These are like the pointed Q-tips. So I got these because I want to make it easier for me to clean up the size of my nails. You know, like clean it up like this, you know, all that good stuff. Even if I'm doing like a design, I want to clean it up just a little bit, you know, just clean it up, you know, something like that. So that's what I got. I got this. So I got these little magnet thingies. I'm pretty sure you've seen these when nail techs use it to measure the length of the nails. So I got in this because I feel like it will be helpful when I do my own nails, and also when I start selling press-ons, so that I can know, like, you know, for certain lengths, you know, this is how much it costs, etc, etc. And it's just a very helpful thing. So I got these pink rhinestones. In my other video, I bought red, blue, and black, but they were like the same shape, just different sizes. But for the pink, it comes in, you know, the different sizes of the circle, but it also comes in the different shapes. Like, hold up, let me see. Oh crap. So this is what the shapes look like. I don't know if you can see it with the light, but yeah, that's what the shapes look like. And it's such a pretty color. Like, it's such a pretty color, pink, and I love pink, and for some reason I don't have pink rhinestones, so yeah, so I got that, and it's cute. So I got me another charm holder, just because I feel like I'm gonna need it, and you know, soon. So this is the one that I have, that I also had in my previous TEMU haul, and as you can see, she is filled with beautiful, beautiful charms. So I decided to get another one. Yep, same like before, nothing new, nothing special, you know, just like this for backup, because I'm definitely running out of space. I decided to get me a Hello Kitty charm holder, because why not? Like, tell me this is not cute. Like, look at this. Oh my god, I cannot wait to put my charms. I think I want to save this for like big charms. So I guess kind of like these charms. I want to put like big charms in this one, because it's pretty deep too. So I would like to put the big ones, the big bulky, you know, or like chains. I could put chains in here too, you know. But yeah, my cute little Hello Kitty charm holder. I got these tabs from these are like nail tabs that you will put on like a display, or like a display book or whatever like that, or just wherever you want to put your nails on. And also too, this was on sale for like, cause TEMU got the sales. This was like, how much? Like 52 cents? Not even, girl. This was a penny. Penny. Okay? Penny. And this is 120 pieces. Okay? 120 pieces of tape for a penny. And that's what I got. I got me a nail stand, but this one is 10 instead of like the traditional 5. Cause I'm not gonna lie, sometimes I get tired of like, like having just the one singular. Like sometimes I want both. Cause if I'm doing like a full set, like a half set, like a full set, I want all of them to just be in my presence on the same thing. And look, they're just so cute. They're so cute. There's one I want to get I do want to get like a metal plate so that when I'm doing like, I don't know, let's say I have 10 customers and they need their nails done, press on nails done type, and I need to just get them out back to back, back to back, back to back. I don't know, but this is different. I like it. And like I said, it's cute. It's like a nice iridescent color. And again, it's not the traditional like singular where it comes to 5. It's 10. So yeah, cute. I also got these charms. So I wanted to get some cross charms just because like I've had some really cool like nail designs that I want to do centering these charms. So I think I want to show what they look like. I think, okay, so like one of them, like on one side it has, one side it's silver, and then the other side it's silver in the middle, and the other side it's like a red crystal or pink. I don't know, but well, I do know, but but that's what that is looking like. That's the silver, and this is the gold. This is the gold. I hope the lighting is not like too bright where it's washing it out, but that's the gold. And then this is the, I guess, gunmetal color. Okay, and look. That's it. So I thought these were dope, and they remind me of like the chrome hearts. So stay tuned for a set. Stay tuned. And that's that. So I saved the best for last because like look at these stickers, literally to die for. Like you don't understand how obsessed I am. So I guess I'll start with this sticker. So this sticker is so I got the 6D embossed lace flower design. Trying to see if I can open it. So this is what she's looking like, and like I am obsessed with like flowers. Like I have been obsessed with flowers and like lace and ribbon. I am such a ribbon girl. I think it's so cute. But yeah, I got this. So I got the 3D pearl lace nail sticker decal. I saw this one and I'm like, oh, this is a very pretty, and also it's a very different, and I love lace. And I also wanted more like white stickers, because I have a lot of like colors, but I don't have white and I don't have black. So I was like, okay, let me get white. And I think she is stunning. I think she is cute. This one is the Chic pink bow sticker nails, but I got them in white instead. I think they come in pink and white, and I just got white. So this is what she looks like, and she is so cute. Like, you guys know I'm obsessed with like ribbon, because I think it's just so cute, so feminine. It just fits right up my alley. So definitely had to get me some ribbon. Next up, I got the 5D embossed bronzing star heart nails. So this, I was actually inspired by my silver chrome powder that I have, and I'm like, you know what, I would like to get something that's like around that, I guess, alley. And baby, when I saw this, I was like, oh my gosh, I have to create something around these stickers, because I'm obsessed in the fact that I have the silver chrome and I have like this metallic blue color and silver rhinestones. I'm like, baby, I got this. Like, I got me a whole little cute set that I want to do with this. And I just love it. It's so cute. And I feel like this is also like, I guess, perfect for like October, you know, because October, Halloween is around the corner. So stay tuned for her. Stay tuned for her. I got the 5D embossed lace bow knot design stickers, and like I said before, I love me a good ribbon. I just love a good ribbon design, and I love lace, and it's just like, I saw this and I was like, yeah, this is me. I was like, yeah, for sure, this is me. So, and last but not least, I got the 5D I got the 5D embossed lace bow knot design. I think it's the same company, but this one is $35.15 and the last one was $34.93. Ooh, hold up. Like, this is so cute, and it's giving schoolgirl set. Like, I don't know, like, it's just so cute. It's giving like cottagecore, just literally up my alley. Everything about it is just up my alley, and it's pink, and it's lace, and it's ribbon. Like, obsessed. Like, I am obsessed with these nail stickers. So, ooh. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to check out my last video of me doing gel X for the first time. You know, the pink ballerina set. So don't forget to check that video out. And also, don't forget to check out my last TEMU haul, because that one was pretty good. So thank you guys so much. Bye.